What is going on, YouTube family? It's your boy Gabe and welcome back to my channel. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers and streetwear. So guys, if you like watching videos tungkol dun sa dalawang topic na yon, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell icon below so you won't miss my next uploads. So what I have for you guys today is the 16th episode of the Streetwear Hunt series. So para sa inyo na hindi nyo pa alam kung ano tong series na to, this is a series where I hunt for local streetwear brands and fini-feature ko sila dito sa channel ko. This is just my own way of trying to help out our brand owners to promote their products sa mga viewers ko. The brand that I'm going to feature for today is called Wear. Yes guys, that is the brand that is owned by Price Tag himself. So here you go guys, this is the product na binili ko sa Wear. Medyo matagal ko nang nabili to sa kanila, mga around 2 months ago. Ngayon ko lang siya gagawa ng review and super excited na akong gawan siya ng review at isuot siya for the OOTD footage. Hindi ko napapatagalin pa, let's dive right into the actual review of this product. So I use 4 categories pag nagre-review ako ng local streetwear merch. So the first category is yung freebies, second is yung material ng product. So in this case, t-shirt yung i-review ko. So yung fabric ng product yung titingnan natin. Third category is the tags and yung print. Tapos yung fourth and last category would be the fit. So kasama na dun yung OOTD footage at the end of this video. So make sure guys that you watch this video until the end so that you would see the whole review of this shirt. Yung category number 1 i-skip na natin because nung binili ko to sa kanila, hindi ako nakakuha ng freebies from them. And it's totally fine because we are not here for the freebies naman. We are here for the actual shirt. So skip natin yung category number 1 and let's move on to the second category, which is titingnan natin yung material ng product. So guys, let me check the material first. It feels that it is thick. Maganda yung fabric. Quality is on point. And tulad nga rin ng sinabi ko dun sa mga ibang reviews ko about the local streetwear brands, hindi naman pumapalya yung fabric ng mga ating local brands. Lahat ng brands na nireview ko, pasado yung fabric nila. I really like it. Gustong gusto ko yung quality ng telang ginamit nila. So, kasama na din doon yung Wear. So, let's move on to category number 3, which is the tags and the prints. So, let's start off with the neck area first. So, meron sila ditong printed tag, which is nakalagay Wear. Tapos yung guns na nagpo-form ng V, which is yung actual icon logo nila. Nandito din yung 2XL, which is yung size nila, and nothing else. Plain and simple, straightforward, it works. And if I'm going to share my thoughts on this part, surprise, if you put an actual etiketa here, yung tag mismo na merong social media handles nyo, yung logo nyo, yung icon nyo, and meron din washing instructions dun sa likod. If you put an actual tag here, I do believe na tataas lalo yung pogi points nitong product na to. So this is just a suggestion and yun lang naman yung opinion ko. So here you go guys, meron pa silang extra tag which is located dun sa laylayan ng shirt. It includes their Wear icon logo and medyo shiny yung ginamit nilang fabric dun sa borda. As you can see right here, when it catches the light, kumikinang siya. So here's a close-up look. There you go. Napaka-simple, napaka-minimalist, pero ang lakas ng dating. Sobrang angas. Dalawang barrel na naka-V formation to represent the letter V of Wear. So, props to you, Sir Price. Ang ganda nito. Ang pogi ng dating ng inyong icon logo. So, there you have it, guys. Yun yung mga tag nila. Now, let's move on to the prints. So, let's start off with the front graphic. So, here's the front graphic, guys. So, ginamit ulit nila yung kanilang V icon logo. So nakalagay dito established 2018 and the print itself, it feels quality, makapal siya and it doesn't feel like it has breakage. Wala naman siyang bleeding and it looks very crisp. Maganda yung pagkakalatag ng print sa kanya. So here's a close-up look. Ayan guys, malinis yung pagkakagawa. Sobrang angas talaga ng icon logo ng Wear. This is the perfect example ng minimalism goes a long way. Hindi nyo kailangan mag-go crazy para makapag-deliver ng malakas na impact. Ito pa lang oh, yan na yan pala, ang ganda na mismo nung kanilang graphic. So props to the Villainwear team. And now let's move on to the back graphic. You guys know it. Alam nyo naman na I'm the type of person that really likes large graphics sa likod. Actually, binili ko tong t-shirt na to because of the back. Bang! Here you go guys. Sabi ko sa inyo, napakaganda nung print niya sa likod eh. Nung nakita ko siya sa Facebook, I automatically wanted to have one for myself. So binili ko siya agad-agad. And I really like what they did. Hindi siya super crazy. Nakalagay lang dito villain and paulit-ulit lang multiple times. Tapos yung villain sa gitna that it spells the villain. Iniba nila yung color blocking. Ginawa nilang solid white. I really like that approach. Katulad nga nung sinabi ko dun sa icon nila, hindi nyo kailangan mag-go crazy to deliver an awesome graphic like this. Sobrang lakas ng impact nyo pero text lang siya. Hindi siya sobrang daming kung ano-ano nangyayari. Straightforward. And kahit sobrang layo niya, you guys will definitely see what is written dito sa likod. So this is a perfect example din ng good branding. Kasi ito yung pangalan nila eh. So habang naglalakad ka sa mall, automatically makikita na nila kung ano yung pangalan ng brand, even if hindi pa nila alam kung ano yung brand. So props to you, Sir Price Tag. I really like your approach here. Ang ganda ng inyong branding, ang ganda ng t-shirt nyo. Kaya ako siya binili. I really like this. I really like it a lot. Ilang beses ko nang sinabi yon. And I'm really excited to wear this in our OOTD footage. So before we do that, tingnan ko muna yung print ng actual back graphic. So far so good, just like the front graphic. Parehas sila ng quality, ang ganda ng pagkakalatag ng kanyang print. Walang breakage, walang bleeding. If you look at it ng close up, see right here, crisp yung lines, quality yung pagkakagawa, straight yung pagkakaprint. May mga t-shirts kasi na medyo tabingi yung pagkakaprint, hindi nila na quality check yon. Ito straight siya sa likod. Ayan. And yun nga, ang linis ng pagkakagawa niya. It feels like tatagal tong print na to. So there you go guys, that is category number 3, which is the tags and the prints. Now, before we move on to the last category, which is the fit, check muna natin kung meron pa akong maiko-call out. Let's go! So there you go guys, na-check ko na yung product, na-double, triple check ko pa siya, and wala na akong ma-call out. Only a suggestion, dito sa neck area. Dito lang sa neck area, I highly suggest that you guys add an actual etiketa, an actual tag, na meron social media handles nyo, may logo, and may washing instructions. Feeling ko it would definitely add more pogi points to the actual shirt. Other than that, the shirt is super solid. Everything is on point. Ang ganda nung effect, nung buong aesthetic nung shirt. Minimalist lang, sobrang simple lang ng mga graphics, pero ang lakas nung dating. So let's move on to the next category. Category number 4, which is if i-fit ko na siya and mag-OOTD footage na tayo. Let's go. In 3, 2, 1. So here you go guys, this is the shirt. Suot-suot ko na siya and I do feel that yung fit niya is on point. Ang ganda nung bagsak niya sa katawan ko. 2XL yung kinuha ko guys. Perfect yung fit niya sa akin. I do follow kasi yung 24/31 na measurement ko. Hindi nga talaga ako nagpo-follow dun sa mga labels. So I highly suggest na i-measure nyo yung sarili nyo and make sure that you ask Sir Price or the team behind the Villainwear for a size chart. So another point to add, as you can see here, 2XL yung kinuha ko sa kanila, and sa mga ibang brands, XL ako. For example, on One's Own, Weedrule, XL ako doon. And here for the Villainwear, 2XL ako sa kanila. Medyo mahaba yung length niya and medyo fit yung dito sa width. Sa ibang brands, like yung mga minention ko kanina, boxy yung fit nila, kaya XL lang ako doon. So there you have it guys, nasabi ko na lahat about this Villainwear t-shirt. And the only thing left for me to do is to showcase what it looks like on me in the OOTD footage. So before we jump into that, Don't forget to help your boy out and hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell icon below so you won't miss my next Streetwear Hunt series. So this is your boy Gabe. Malapit na tayong mag 5,000 subscribers. Enjoy the OOTD footage. I am signing out for now, but stay tuned for my next videos. Peace.